Welcome back. This is round one in TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. The scores are Buff Bay Primary on 1 and PGA Prep on 6. It's now time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off, which covers math, science, English language, and social studies. Face-Off 1 is in the category of mathematics, and it's between Ariel Hitchens, the captain of PGA Prep, up against Kim Marley Williams of Buff Bay Primary. Captain, we begin with you. On a 24-hour clock, the time is 05:36 hours. What is the specific equivalent time on a 12-hour clock? Question passes. Kimarli, would you like to try?
No, thank you, miss.
It's 5:36 a.m. Captain, back to you. What's the average of 38, 37, and 24? Question passes to you. Kimarli, would you like it?
No, miss.
It's 33. Ariel, 15% of a number is 63. What is the number? Time's up. Kimarli, would you like to try?
No, miss.
It's 420. Captain, is the angle 210 degrees acute, obtuse, or reflex?
Reflex.
That's correct. Captain, what are the next two terms in the sequence? 1, 4, 9, 16, 25.
36.
Waiting for the time to pass. Time? Time, okay, time, that's incomplete. Kimarli, would you like to try?
No, miss.
The next two terms are 36 and 49. Kimarli, we're now over to you. On a 24-hour clock, the time is 1924 hours. What's the specific equivalent on a 12-hour clock?
It's 8:26.
That's incorrect. Captain, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's 7:24 p.m. Kimarli, what's the average of 43, 47, and 21? That means question passes to you. Ariel, want it? Want to try?
No, thank you.
Correct answer is 37. Kimarli, 40% of a number is 140. What's the number? Time's up. Ariel, want to try?
No, thank
It's
you.
350. Kimarli, is the angle 85 degrees acute, obtuse, or reflex?
Acute.
That's correct. What are the next two terms in the sequence? 3, 6, 11, 18, 27. Time's up. Captain, want to try?
No, thank
It's
you.
38 and 51. That now takes us to our next face-off. It's in the category of science. It's between Kalila Carr of PGA Prep up against Shamilia Anderson of Buff Bay Primary. Kalila, which part of a plant anchors it into the ground?
The root?
That is correct. Complete this statement with the correct word. The name of the process for the initial growth of a seed in a plant is?
Germination.
That is correct. Which type of joint is found at the shoulders in humans?
Ball and socket.
That is correct. Name a simple machine that can be found on a scissors.
Lever.
That is correct. What are the three main states of matter?
Gas, liquid, and solid.
5 of 5. Kalila, we're now over to Captain Shamilia. Captain, which part of a plant collects energy from the sun and makes food for the plant?
The leaf.
That is correct. Complete this statement with the correct word. The name of an unborn baby inside the womb that is over 10 weeks old is the?
Fetus.
That's right. Which type of joint is found at the knees in humans? Question passes to you, Kalila.
Yes, please. Hinge.
Hinge is correct. Name a simple machine that is represented by a hammer, Captain.
Wedge.
That is correct. In which state of matters are the particles packed tightly together?
Solid.
That is correct. Taking us now to our next face-off in the category of English language. It's between Marcus Marson of PGA up against K. Malik McGaw of Buff Bay. Marcus, in the correct order, spell the homonyms which mean to endure a delay and the heaviness of something. Question passes to you, K. Malik. Want to try?
No, thank you.
Answer is weight. W-A-I-T, W-E-I-G-H-T. Marcus, spell poisonous.
Poisonous. P-O-I-S-O-N-I-O-U-S.
That's incorrect. K. Malik, would you like to try?
Yes, please. Poisonous.
That's also incorrect. It's poisonous. Poisonous. No I at the end there. Marcus, give a four-letter word starting with L, which is an antonym for profit, as in P-R-O-F-I-T.
Loss.
That is correct. Without changing the tense, correct the error in this sentence. The boys is carrying the books to school.
The boys are carrying the books to school.
Sorry?
The boys are carrying the books to school.
That's correct. It should be are. What specific tense is used in this sentence? We will be going to Mexico this summer.
Future tense.
I believe you gave an answer before the bell. What was the answer?
Future tense.
Future tense is incorrect. K. Malik, would you like to try?
Yes, please. Present continuous. Future continuously.
Say again.
Future continuously.
Future continuous what?
Future continuously.
Future continuously, judges? That's incorrect. We were looking for the future continuous tense. K. Malik, we're now over to you. In the correct order, spell the homonyms, which mean to take someone else's property without permission, and a strong metal. Question passes. Marcos, want to try?
Yes, thank you. S-T-E-A-L and S-T-E-E-L.
That is correct. Steel is correct. K. Malik, spell financial. Question passes to you, Marcos.
Yes, thank you. F-I-N-A-N-C-I-A-L.
That is correct. K. Malik, give a five-letter word starting with D, which is an antonym for sober, as in S-O-B-E-R.
Deep sleep.
That's incorrect. Marcos, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's drunk. K. Malik, without changing the tense, correct the error in this sentence. One of the teachers are late for school. Question passes to you, Marcus. Want to try?
Yes, miss. One of the teachers is late to school.
That is correct. Okay, Malik, what specific tense is used in this sentence? The pastor is going to church on Sunday.
Future continuous.
That's incorrect. Marcus, would you like to try?
Yes, thank you. Future tense.
That's also incorrect. It's the present continuous tense. And that brings us to our next face-off. It's in the category of social studies. It is between Shanoya Williamson of PGA Prep up against Krista Palmer of Buff Bay Primary. Shanoya, which of the planets has 14 moons?
Saturn.
That's incorrect. Krista, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's Neptune. Shanoya, arrange these Jamaican parishes from smallest to largest in terms of size. St. Mary, St. Thomas, St. James.
St. Thomas, St. Mary, St. James.
That's incorrect. Krista, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's St. James, St. Mary, St. Thomas. Shanoya, which word means government of the people, for the people, and by the people? Time's up. Krista, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's democracy. Shanoya, in which Jamaican parish did the horrible Kendall crash of 1957 take place?
Manchester.
That is correct. What's the capital of Cuba?
Havana.
That is correct. Krista, we're over to you. How many moons does the planet Venus have? Time's up. Shanoya, want to try?
No, thank you. No, thank you.
Oh, it's actually 0. Krista, arrange these Jamaican parishes from smallest to largest in terms of size. Portland, Manchester, Westmoreland.
Westmoreland, Portland, Manchester.
That's correct. By what process do Jamaicans choose members of parliament and councillors?
Election.
Or voting, that is correct. In which Jamaican parish is the Vernon Field Airstrip, a former U.S. Army airfield? Question passes to you, Shanoya. Want to try?
No, thank you.
It's Clarendon. What's the capital of Dominica, Crystal? Question passes to you, Shanoya. Want to try?
Yes, Miss Rosa.
That is correct. And that's the end of the final face-off and the end of section 2. The scores are Buff Bay Primary on 6 and PGA Prep on 20. Stay tuned. The final challenge will determine our winners right after this break.